Hello students. Now few sums I have done from exercise 18. So you practice these sums and more sums you will get in online class, or I will make another video. Now what I am doing now, that from sum number 31, it is different type. Okay, from there I am doing now. It comes in SAQ type. 31. These are all important sums. You will practice it. It is given that x plus 1 by x equals to 1. It is given. Find the value of this. X square plus 3x plus 1 by x square plus 7x plus 1. What is given, from there we will start. Take the LCM. Then x into x, x square plus 1 equals to 1. Then cross multiply. Cross multiplication, you know, x square plus 1 equals to x into 1, x. I am keeping it in a box. Clear? Now, what to do? I have to find out the value of this. Here you see that x square plus 3x plus 1. So, I am writing side by side this one, x square plus 1 and 3x. And denominator also x square plus 1 plus 7x. Now, x square plus 1 equals to, we have got x. So, in place of this, we can write x. So, x plus 3x by x plus 7x. Now, like terms, you can add 4x by 8x. Then x cancelled out. So, your answer is coming half. Clear? This is very interesting sum. Now, next one. You will practice this type. Nothing. What you have done, what is given, from there you have started. You are taking the LCM, then it is becoming x square plus 1, then cross multiply and keep it in a box, this portion. And you have to find out the value of this. Now x square plus 1, as we have got x square plus 1 equals to x. So this I am writing side by side. Plus 3x. Denominator also this plus 7x. Now this equal to x, x plus 3x, x plus 7x. You know, in algebra like terms can be added. So x plus 3x means 4x and denominator 8x, x is cancelled out. Your answer is coming half. (32). 2x sorry, plus 1 by x equals to 2. It is given. Always you start what is given, from there. You have to find out the value of this. Yeah. So again take the LCM. It is coming 2x square plus 1 equals to 2. Next step I have already told you. You have to cross multiply. 2x square plus 1 equals to 2x. Now keep it in a box. Afterwards we will use this. Here x by, now 2x square plus 1 we know. I am writing side by side. 2x square plus 1 and plus x last. Then x by 2x square plus 1. We have got 2x. So in place of this I can write 2x. 3x. x is cancelled out, 1 by 3. These are interesting, no? Very easy. Okay. Then next one. So you will start what is given. From there you will start. Then you will put the values. Number 33. P equals to, given 3 plus 1 by P. Find the value of this. Okay. Now here one difference is there between, in previous sum suppose you have seen that x plus 1 by x equals to 1. But here it is given p equals to this. So what I will do, p related term I will bring in left hand side. So it is becoming minus 1 by 3. Clear? Now this and this same type. Now you know what to do. Fractional, here not addition, here subtraction. So take the LCM, p square minus 1 equals to 3. Next step, cross multiply 3p. Now keep it in a box. Here 4p. Now p square minus 1 write together plus p. P square minus 1, 3p plus p. So 4p by 4p. Again I am telling that if whole will be cancelled out, don't write in answer 0. Answer will be 1. This is division. This divided by this. It means 1. In case of subtraction, you can write 0. 4p minus 4p 0. But 4p divided by 4p not 0. It is 1. Now number 34. Okay, it is given this type. Okay, very good. Number 35, see. No, 34, no. Number 34, not 35. Number 34. It is, you give star mark. X square minus 7x plus 1 equals to 0. It is given. Find the value of this. Okay. Then what to do? Okay. It is given, you have to 1 by x. Okay. I am dividing both sides by x. Then let's see what I am getting. And 0 by x means 0. Clear? Then separate. X square by x minus 7x by x plus 1 by x equals to 0. Now this and this is cancelled out. Here we are getting x. So x minus 7 plus 1 by x equal to 0. Or x plus 1 by x, 7 will go that side, is 7. This value you have to calculate. X plus 1 by x, we have got 7. So this is the answer. Clear? So here what we have done, we have divided both sides by x. Clear? And there is another method also. Okay, this one you will copy, and side right side you will write down another method also. This one what we have done, by x we have divided, then we have separated the terms, and what is cancelled out. After that we are getting x plus 1 by x equal to 7. Clear? Okay, this is one method. And another method is, this is given and you have to find out this. Take the LCM of this. It is coming x square plus 1. Now from here you calculate x square plus 1 is what? 7x, taking that side. So x square plus 1 I have got 7x. Now I have put here 7x by x. Just cancel out, 7 is the answer. So I have shown you two methods. Then which one you prefer easier, you will do that. And last one, 35. X plus 1 by x equals to 3. This you can do yourself also. Find the value of this. So what is given, from there you start. Same method, cross multiply, box, then x by x square plus 1 minus x x square plus 1, 3x minus 6, subtraction 2x, x is cancelled out, 1 by 2 is the answer. Clear? These are interesting sums. So what we have done, exercise 17 and exercise 18. Now in exercise 18 there are more sums. So whatever I have done, and you practice more sum in your home, and if any problem you will face, you will tell me in online class, I will solve that one. Okay. Now you have to practice this, and it is in your syllabus also, second unit test syllabus. Okay.